right, now that we have the entire roof installed, we are in the process of seaming the roof. So we have a FalzSID crimping tool here. This is a double seamer for our 1.5 inch standing seam metal. This tool does both seams. So in one direction, it'll bend the metal over 90 degrees, and then when you flip it around the other way and clamp it, it'll flatten it out, completing the seam on the panel. Once we have it started, so about 18 inches up, then we can run the double Falz seamer that we purchased for this project. It's a really nice tool, requires your own drill, and once clamped into place, the rollers bend it over and then they seam it completely with a double hem. We've seamed about the first half of the roof. You can see where the white clips are still exposed. When we're seaming, we have a guy stand on top of the seams to weight them down, so ensuring that we cover up the clips and get a nice clean appearance at the end. And we have finished this roof. Snow retention, heat tape, and gutter assembly. So we'll talk you through the various steps. You can see in the previous videos how we installed the standing seam metal and got the seams nice and tight. Our next step was to install the snow retention bars. Those are installed with fasteners that clamp directly to the standing seam, so there's no penetration. And then we have 2 stack bar. We get big snowstorms up here, and this is adequate to keep the snow from sliding down and tearing off this gutter here. It's also going to keep a lot of the snow retained on the main roof so that it doesn't pile up onto this roof and then continue to build back that way. That allows us to create a break, and we're going to get the ice that can form between the heated portion of the home, which is above the snow retention bars. You can see here that the house starts back here about 4 feet, and we have our snow retention on here a little more than 4 feet. That way, when the snow and ice water that melts and runs down this way from the heat of the home, and they have cold air underneath, it would freeze and cause an ice dam and ice to back up. So here we're going to retain the snow at this point, and then our heating cable is going to melt channels into the snow and ice, allowing water to escape into the gutter. We have heat tape down inside the gutter as well, which will allow the water to flow out. And then the heat tape runs down the downspout. So you can see we're down through the downspout, into the integral gutter below, and then all the way down into our dry well and French drain below. All right, thanks for watching part 3. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on building at a higher level.